This is in regards with the video submission for cutting brakes. We represent group number 6. Our group consists of Munraj, Abhay, Vishnu and Chimant. A slave master cylinder assembly was added. This is the iteration second for our cutting brakes. This is the complete assembly on the ATV column. This is the CAD representation of iteration 1 with the slave master cylinder and 3D printed cutting brakes handles. This is the prototype version for the first iteration. Now coming on to the second iteration, which is in regards to coupling of the actuation from the steering rack. This includes the actuation movement from the clevis, which is translated to the custom master cylinder's push rod. This here represents the differential action. On applying actuation on the left hand side of the cutting brakes, the similar side is locked, giving the power to the right wheel as shown in the video. Successively, on applying the right actuation, we lock the right wheel and send the complete power to the left wheel. Thank you.